How to win the race with a slow car. The second part is the maintenance. The maintenance is key for for it to run properly. In that blue station wagon, um, we had to have the proper maintenance. We had to make sure we did the oil change and check the fluids and the belts and the hoses and make sure our brakes were good and make sure our tires were good and just to make sure that it ran smoothly. And we had to do these things often because, as I said, it was an older vehicle, so we had to make sure that everything was on point so that it would run properly. And in our life, maintenance is key. I think there's three aspects that we have to make sure that we maintain every day, and I think those three are the spiritual, the mental, and the physical. And I think if we do something every day in the spiritual realm, if we do something every day in the mental realm to be better, and then we do something, maintain in our physical realm, it allows us to be complete and be whole with those three things. It allows us to maximize our potential. And I think we have to make sure that we show up, have a great attitude, and give our all every day. And I think it allows us to be our best version of ourselves. And when we do the proper maintenance um, and have personal growth, I think that maintenance um, is synonymous with personal growth. There's a quote by John Maxwell. It says, "Your future is dependent upon your personal growth. Improving yourself daily guarantees your future filled with possibilities." And so, in that car, when we maintained it, uh, like I said, it allowed it to run properly. It allowed it to get us from point A to point B. In our lives, when we do the proper maintenance, it gives us so many opportunities and possibilities, and the opportunities are limitless.